everyone. My name is Jessie and I'm with the Avondale Library. Hopefully you've had a chance to pick up your little holiday ornament kit from the library. So today I'm just going to go through what's in your kit and how to get started on painting your ornament. So let's take a look first. So first we have some information on the artist community in Avondale and throughout, and a big thanks to Wham on Wheels for supplying the kits. So a little paper towel that you can use to paint your ornament on and also to use as your palette for your paints. Here's the ornament we have in our kit. There's all kinds of different ones, so you'll have to see which one you get to bring home. We have lots of different options so it'll be a surprise. So this is the one I have. And then you'll get a little cup that you can fill with water that you'll use to clean your brush. And your brush. Your kit is going to come with 3 colors of paint: red, blue, and yellow. You probably know these as your primary colors. So you're going to get these 3 main colors, but you're also going to get a little chart, and this is going to show you how you can make additional colors. So you can use your red and yellow to make orange, you can use your blue and yellow to make green, and you can use your blue and red to make purple. So you actually have 6 colors that you can paint with today, and depending on how much you use of the blue, the yellow, or the red, you'll have kind of variant shades of the orange, green, and purple. So I'm going to put my kit here back and then get started with the set I have and show you how you can start painting to make your very own ornament. Okay, so now I have all my supplies laid out and I'm gonna get started on my ornament. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go with a red and green mix. So I think first I'm gonna set out some colors to do the blue and yellow to make green. Put a little bit of paper down so the color doesn't go through. And I'm gonna add a little bit of blue here, and then I'm gonna wash my brush over here. That all cleaned up. So you always want to wash your brush in between your colors so that they don't mix. And when you're working at home, you can get fresh water when it starts to get too dirty. Okay, I think that'll be okay. I'm gonna get some yellow here and then mix that up. Okay, so I'm gonna start with some green. And what I'm gonna do now that I have my palette, I'm gonna go ahead and paint the bottom green. And you can also, if you have a pencil you want to use at home to draw a design on your ornament, you can draw a design on your ornament, or you can just paint with your brush as you go. Okay, so I think I'm gonna continue with my green while I still have it. I might need to make some more green. but I'm gonna keep that going. And the brush is nice because it has kind of a fine end to it. So you can see that the end is really narrow. I'm gonna use that to make a line here, but you could also draw it with a pencil. Make a fine mark with your pencil. And I'm just gonna keep painting here. And then, all right, I think I'm gonna go in and add some red in the middle there. So I'm gonna wash my brush again, just like that. And then I'm gonna get some red on my brush. You don't need a lot, just a little bit to get started. And then I'm just going to start painting in between. And again, use that fine edge of your brush if you're using multiple colors so that you can keep it kind of a straight line there. Okay. All right, let's see here. There we go. Gonna fill in some of those little white spots that are showing. Kind of trying carefully. Okay, so that's my starter point for my ornament. So I decided to go with that. I'm excited to hear about all the different kinds of designs you're gonna do. There's all sorts of neat things you can do with whatever ornament you got, and there are all kinds of different ones. As another example, shout out to Aaliyah who decorated this one. That looks great. So she drew that on with a pencil and then painted over it. So you can do that as well, and you can see some of those different colors in there. That nice solid green. Okay, so you're all set to get started with your ornament. Get started painting and adding design, and then when you're done with it, if you want, you can give it as a gift to someone, or hang it on your tree, or hang it in your window, or whatever you'd like to do with your ornament. So if you haven't picked up your kit yet, we have the kits at both of our libraries, our Civic Center library and our Sam Garcia library. And if you need address or hours information, you can go on our website at avondalelibrary.org. Enjoy painting your ornament, and happy holidays!